Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As I progress through the lessons working through the ABRSM Grade 5 Discovering Music Theory workbook, I now move on to the topic of keys and scales, and in this lesson I explain everything you need to know for the fourth chapter in this workbook. The full lesson is available on Patreon. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find everything you need to know there, and you'll find the links to this in the cards and in the description box. In this lesson, I show you how to work through all of the keys, moving up to 6 sharps or 6 flats, and of course that includes all the major keys, the harmonic minor scales and the melodic minor scales. And we also now look at enharmonic equivalents. We look at the enharmonic change from F sharp major to G flat major, and we look at how to convert enharmonically from D sharp minor to E flat minor. And now, of course, we have lots of sharps and flats, lots of key signatures, lots of related keys to remember. And I show you how to work through the circle of fifths and give you tips on how to memorize and how to remember all of the related keys and their key signatures. Sample examples of this lesson will follow on after this short video to show you exactly how I will work with you through every single step of every single exercise, just as if I were sitting right next to you. And once you are ready to take your ABRSM Grade 5 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best be prepared for your exam, and also how to make the very best use of your time when you are actually taking the exam. This book is available from Amazon. It's available in digital format or in paperback, and you'll find the links to that in the cards and in the description box below. And also, all of the information that you need can be found on my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find everything that you need to know there. Enjoy your studies. Bye.
Now this one can't be correct because F, C, yes, this is G sharp, but it should be this high G. We go as high as we can here without using ledger line. F, C, G, D. Now that should be a D sharp. It should go, let's get some manuscript paper. It should go in the treble clef, F, C, G, D. Now A has to be low, otherwise it would have ledger lines, and then E. That's what we're looking for. And so we can see 5 cats go, that's the wrong one, that's a B, then it's D. They're all out of order as well as in the wrong place. That would be treble clef. Every good boy deserves football. If we put the treble clef, everything else is correct. That's A. So treble clef. Really, the first sharp gives that to us and everything else fits in. F, C, G, D, A. There can be lots of reasons why this is. It just seems a little confusing to begin with. And so F sharp major, let's just look at this. It helps to refer to the piano keyboard. And so let's just look at this. So F sharp major has F sharps, G sharps, A sharps, G flats, A flats, B flats, is already present because of the key signature, but we've still got to raise it. So we've got to raise it by adding a double sharp. So C sharp raised becomes C double sharp. We cannot call it D. It's not D because the tonic is D sharp, and D natural has no place in this key signature.